how to play Please Donate. I'll be covering everything that you need to have a fully working stand just like me. And this is how much I've raised, so you know this is going to be good. You could be just like me, just watch this full video. I know for a fact there will be a few people saying that, oh, this didn't work, and it's because you do not watch the full video. So make sure you watch the full video, do not skip anything because you might miss a key step. Now, as you see right here, I have set up a lot of donation buttons, and this is the main part of the actual game. You need these in order to get Robux. So let me show you how to actually do this. So firstly, what you want to do right here is to go to your profile. Now, once you are on your profile, you want to go onto your game. Now, every single person, when they make a Roblox account, you will have a game. For an example, my friend right here has never made a game, but of course he has a game right here. It normally looks like this on your account. And yeah, obviously it's just made by Roblox automatically. So once you have onto your game, what you want to do from here is just scroll down right here to store. Once you uninstall right here, you want to press add pass. Once you press that, sometimes it might look like this right here. So I'm going to press onto my game right here that I've made. Now from here, what you want to do is to go and press associated items. From here, you want to press onto passes. And then create a game pass. Because obviously you need this in order to play Please Donate. Just so you can set up the buttons. So from here, I'm just going to put a random image in. Literally, just put any image in right here. For example, I'm just going to put in this random microphone right here. I'm just going to call it something really random. Description, it doesn't really matter. Like, you can just put anything right here. And of course, you want to create the pass right here. Once you have made the pass, what you want to do is to press sales right here, and from here you can make the item for sale. Just to show you right here, so obviously my highest button is 1 million and I want to make this one 10 million. So item for sale and then the price. So obviously you want to just keep doing this for like 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 for example. Obviously I've already got them, so I'm just going to put in 10 million, 1,000, 100,000, 1 million, and then 10 million, and then press save changes right here. And yeah, pass updated successfully. Now obviously if you just started Please Donate and you want to play Please Donate to get donation buttons, you want to just keep making them like 5, 10, 15, 20, just keep making loads. Now what you want to do after you've done that is to press this edit button right here. So you want to claim the stand and then press edit booth right here. From here you want to press this little refresh button right here, like this. Refreshing, and then once you turn around, I now have a 10 million game pass button. Now this was actually someone from last video who liked the video and subbed to the channel. It helps support the channel, so let's just boost their, I don't know, let's just help them play Please Donate, and let's just give them a million. If you want to be like that person, you know what to do. Now of course, when you have done all of that, from here you want to press this edit booth button again, and of course now you want to put the text on your thing. Notice how everyone else here has stuff like this right here, they all have the text right here. Try and make it kind of funny and unique. One of the most popular ones I do see is something like goal, and then of course they're trying to aim for a certain goal for example, so let me just put this right here. I mean, I think this person needs to watch my video right now. This person has nothing on their stall at all. But of course, you can go around asking people, or you can just sit behind your stall or booth, pretty much wait for people to donate to you. Once you have your buttons and your text, you can now play Please Donate.